should put pile on there.
Get the fuck away!
Did you hit him?
No. I almost just. This is the truck. It's here.
I didn't even notice any flashing lights on the thing.
Yung pangit sa kalsada ngayon. Not good.
Good morning. Nandito ko ngayon sa Ohio. Few 40 minutes na lang hanggang border ng West Virginia. And then yung magiging route tayo from West Virginia, Ohio, West Virginia, tawid ng konti, then Pennsylvania, then south, pabalik uli ng West Virginia, Maryland, then West Virginia uli. Parang magulo tong yung pagiging separation ng dalawang state then pasok ng Virginia. So from here all the way sa Manassas, Virginia, 6 na oras dito sa position ko ngayon. So ang situation ngayon, merong bagyo, merong ulan na napakalaki, but meron siyang kasamang snow. Yeah, yung isang araw ko pa siya tinatrack kung saan ang pasok niya. So ang banda sa ngayon nagdadagsaan ang pasok ng mga storm kasi nung nagsimula ang winter last year 2023, papansin niyo dry yung Canada, di ba? So ito yung pangit dahil yung nakita niyo meron siyang may kasama siyang snow. Huwag lang siyang lumamig dahil ang temperature ngayon ay +3. Huwag lang siyang lumamig para yung snow na yun hindi mag-frozen, yung tubig niyan hindi mag-frozen, kasi mangyayari to, karambula talaga to sa highway. Pag hindi agad nila naagapan to, hindi sila nakapaglinis nito sa highway, nalagyan ng liquid para matunaw, karambula talaga to kung tuloy-tuloy itong situation niya.
The right side?
Yes, here I am.
Right on. Can you cover me on one?
You're clear. bottom.
Thank you so much.
And you're cleared now, over. I just smashed into you. That was me.
Get the fuck away!
You should put pile on there.
Get the fuck away!
Did you smash?
Yeah, I just hit you. I wrecked my car.
Big damage?
We're gonna go down here to the I have the players. I don't know what the front end looks like, and I don't know how much damage to your trailer there is.
Hey, you wanna stop?
There's a large truck stop down here in Cumberland we're gonna stop at.
Umangga yung aking pilot sa likod ko. That's full.
I'm back behind you again. It seems to be driving okay, but we should be able to make it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Umangga siya sa likod ng trailer.
Turn left at the stop sign.
I'm gonna pull up behind him and look at my car and look at your truck as well.
Yeah. Oh,
I hit
no, that's okay. That's okay.
right here. I don't think I hit the load though.
No.
No, it's too small for
Yeah,
that.
that one is
But
okay.
I did this.
Yeah, that's one is okay. I'll just take a picture. But mind it.
My windshield is smushed.
Oh,
I don't know how to fix it.
try to fix it. Okay. But this one is still okay, right? Can you hold this one, Jen? I think put some trade there. Some trade. Wait, I don't have the drill. Okay, I'm gonna borrow a drill there. This one is okay. Only the bumper, this side.
I pull that off, huh? Could I drive like that to at least get you to sight?
Maybe we can put some bungee on that one.
Yeah. Guys, smoke and everything.
But where's that?
Where did it smush in?
I don't know, maybe it's just only the
Just
ice.
the end, maybe?
Yeah, the ice.
Yeah,
But-
maybe that. I didn't.
Looks good. This is from the ice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not enough major.
Only this one side. Huh?
Did you hit him?
No, no. I almost just. This is the truck. It's here.
What did you do? Pull ahead or?
So I follow those two trucks. When you pull up, you pass. So I follow your skirt.
Yeah.
Then you come back to the right. He was there sitting on the left side, right?
Yeah, he was, cause he was
Yeah, but it's too late. It's too late.
Yeah.
Then I stopped. I totally stopped. Then
I didn't stop, and I hit him right
yeah,
there.
this one.
I was,
Because like when I went by him, I give him lots of room.
there was, and then there was at 18, and there was a car on the side of me too. Wasn't
Oh,
letting
so you
him,
couldn't get by.
Yeah.
and I
couldn't get
couldn't
back.
stop, and I just started sliding,
So-
and I smashed.
But you didn't hit him.
No, I didn't
No,
hit him.
he didn't hit him. I
No.
hit him. I hit him.
Just one. It's too close. Too
Oh, shit.
close.
Yeah.
Just stop. I did not even call him because I just focus on my wheel. I almost go to the ramp of this truck.
Yeah. Holy cow. Well, that wouldn't be good.
I saw that as I passed.
I didn't even notice any flashing lights on the thing.
Yeah, why he's towing? He stopped there and put some pylons there. If he,
You should have something on. You should have had some kind of a warning sign.
Yeah.
Anyway, gawa namin yung sasakyan niya. Naayos namin, nilagyan ko lang muna ng bungee cord para magamit for the meantime. Then nilagyan ng electrical tape para magdikit talaga ng gusto. Sana it will work dahil gamit niya ngayon. And yung damage ng bumper niya, yun lang yung plastic. Yung radiator is okay, engine is okay, tapos yung fender niya sa gilid, yun lang. At saka yung windshield, yun na damage sa kanya. Third lane.
You're clear. You're clear.
And then yung kanina, yung nagre-recover ng kotse na nahulog sa ditch, hindi man lang siya naglagay ng pylon ahead na may ginagawa habang napakapangit ng panahon. Interstate highway yan, nagre-recover ka na wala kang signage ahead, okay? Inuuna mo yung pera mo, but hindi mo inuuna yung safety ng ibang motorista, diba? Nagre-recover ka, dapat may signage ka ahead. I need second lane, Jay.
You're clear.
Dapat meron kang signage ahead. Muntik na, as in muntik ko na siyang rampahan ang kanyang flat deck na towing truck. Grabe. Kalagitnaan ng bagyo, nagre-recover ka dyan na wala kang signage. Stupido. Yun nga sinasabi, unahin mo muna yung safety. Interstate highway yan, maglagay ka ng mga safety cone sa unahan bago mo gawin yan para at least kita ng mga tao na may ginagawa. Hindi yung nakatayo ka lang dyan sa passing lane, kasi divided lane na yun eh. Yung passing lane, nakatayo ka lang dyan, pati ikaw mapapahamak, pati ikaw mamamatay. Anyway, on the way na kami ng Virginia. Gonna go back to second lane.
You're clear.
What's the name of the first pilot again?
Rita.
Rena?
Rita.
Copy. Rita.
Alright, we got some limbs up here on the right. You might want to turn around.
Copy.
Alright, alright. I realize. Clear the tree. Need some more limbs here hanging over. Up, down, and left. Alright, after you get past that one, it's over. Okay, back behind you. Wing one jumping.
So aking pilot ngayon, dalawang babaeng Amerikana. Si Jen, hindi ko lang natandaan yung pangalan na nasa unahan. Dalawang babae pilot. Ini-escortan yung Bisaya na taga-Cagayan de Oro. Amazon, Manassas.
It's the fire in the rain. It's the smile within the pain. It's the logic but insane. You cannot know from where it came. before you head on out the door. It's the figure on the wall. So many times I heed the call. It's the silence of the room, the way you turn before you bloom. Another shadow for the blind. I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Although I'm running up a hill, I feel I'm always standing still. Can't remember where I've been. I don't know where I should begin. I don't know where I should begin. Ooh, I don't know where I should begin.
Manassas na kami dito sa may Amazon. Napakalapit na. 00 na yung time, but saved by the bell. Personal convenience, no choice. Rita and Jennifer, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Nandun na yung mga pilot. Thank you. Whew, Amazon. Hi there.
What's going on, brother?
What? Say again?
I said, what's going on, brother? First name Marco?
Marco. How did you know?
License plate.
Ah. Last one. You got me.
You good to go, brother?
Where's the parking?
Go all the way down, take the left, go straight, you'll see everybody else.
Whew. Thank you, Lord. It's a safe na biyahe. Grabe, but almost there. Almost there. Ito yung Amazon sa Manassas. Before dito kami nakapark, then dito, but now dito daw sa likod. Oh la la. Hey guys, Amazon, Manassas. Ito lang yung ano, kasi yung mga pilot sobrang dikit talaga yan sila pag sumusunod sa kanilang package, no? Package yung tawag dito. Sobrang dikit. Kahit hindi pilot, pero yung mga nagda-drive dito, kung makikita ninyo sa mga previous vlog ko pa, yung mga truck, dikit-dikit yan. Dikit-dikit yan sila. Wala pang 5 meters or 5 meters. Kaya nga pag merong collision sa unahan, merong brake sa unahan, kagaya nung nangyari kanina, pag brake ko kanina, sasalpak talaga. Magkakaroon talaga ng tawag doon, yung kumpul-kumpulan ang mga sasakyan. Kasi nga, the way yung mga truck, mga kotse, pag nag-overtake tapos may sinusundan silang hindi pa nakaalis, didikitan nila yun. So, sa side naman ng pilot, kasi pilot nga siya, nakasunod talaga yan sa likod, nakatutok yan sa likod. Ang pasalamat lang doon dahil hindi siya nag-rear end talaga na sumuksok doon sa lalim. But yung aking takbo naman kanina, mabagal lang siya. Wala pang 40 or I think 25 miles an hour. And swerte na rin dahil parang may tumulak eh. Parang may tumulak, huwag kang bumangga. As in, ang lapit na talaga ng lalaki kanina. So, inuna niya yung kumita ng pera instead doon sa tapusin mo na yung storm na yon, or kung gusto mang kumita ng pera but yung pagtutuwing, naglagay dapat siya ng mga pylon sign malayo sa kanya, kasi nilalagay niya sa rest yung mga motorista, yung ginawa niya na nakaparking sa doon. Hindi mo siya makikita kasi nga foggy, tapos ang lakas ng snow, hindi mo siya makikita. May mga taong okay, hayaan ko yan basta kumita ako ng pera. So kung hindi ka focus that time. Yung nangyari, kung may kinakalikot ka, kung saan ka nakatingin, yung kanyang towing na pick up o towing na parang flatbed na 5 ton, nakaganyan eh, kasi hatakin niya yung nahulog, kakarga niya sa kanyang flat deck, nakaganyan, as in doon na talaga mismo sa kanyang edge ng kanyang flat deck. So kung hindi ako nakafocus doon, ang nangyari doon na kung may kinakalikot ako, talagang yung flat deck niya, makakarga talaga ako doon sa flat deck, no? Kaya kailangan pag mga ganong storm, ganong mga situation, ganong mga panahon, focus. So anyway, hindi ko na pahabain to. Maraming salamat, nandito na ako sa Manassas. Maraming thank you kay bro. Salamat sa kahit gano'n ang situation ng kalsada, nakarating kami dito ng matiwasay kasama yung aking pilot. Yung bagay, yung sasakyan, napapalitan yan, but yung buhay hindi na. Keep safe, keep on trucking.